Well, let's move on. Let's talk about this commercial insurance rates going absolutely bonkers right now. What's going on there?
I give up. I gave up. I totally gave up. Are you looking at the number, the commercial insurance number there?
I am seeing it. Yes.
$40?
That's insane.
$40? I mean, Uber. I was okay. First, it was 0 to 10. That's the booking fee, by the way, Chris. The passenger is paying for that. Passenger doesn't even know. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
The booking fee comes in at 39, 38, whatever the heck that dumb shit number is, right? Okay. Uber, look what's happening here. You're making the service fee look low. I mean, not that on this one is low. This trip was 129.9 miles, 2 hours. Okay, $143. Good money, $70 an hour, active time. Get it. About $1.20 a mile or $1.10 a mile. Get it. Okay, all good, right? From San Diego to LA. But the passenger paid what, Chris? 200 what? 230?
297.
Oh, fuck. Okay. This is what's happening. The fares are going up because of this, according to Uber. So we had a 0 to 10 booking fee cap. Then it went from 0 to 20. Last couple of weeks ago, we broke 20 because I was getting 28s and stuff. And I got it this week, $40 commercial insurance for a 2-hour trip. What are we insuring here, Uber? What kind of hocus pocus insurance is this? I'm not even sure. And that's the one where we had Brian on last week.
At rate A, but we sell you insurance at rate B.
That's what's happening. I'm 100% sure. But we had Brian on. This is not even good insurance, bro. You know, Brian from Legal RideShare was on. He talked about like what you're not covered against. Like automatic, you have $2,500 deductible. I'm like, my eyes bulged out of my head when I saw $40, bro.
Yeah, that's insane.
$40 for one single trip? No, I'm not buying it, Uber. I don't care what you say, I know you know, you're going to say, oh, it's all going to insurance. Nope, not buying it. Not buying it whatsoever. But anyway, there you go. So I don't know. I give up. I think that driver could have gotten his own insurance and probably it'll be a lot cheaper because $40 on a trip. Look, if you look at like those types of trips, and if you're a full-time driver doing 20, 30 trips a day, you're paying like a couple $100 maybe or $150 a day commercial insurance. If you're a full-time driver, you probably save yourself a whole bunch of money because you can get your own commercial insurance for like $1,200 a month probably in California. Not probably, I know you can get it for $1,200. So you'll make an extra couple of grand, just save it. So maybe the drivers should allow drivers to go shop and get their own commercial insurance. Upload the documents like we do, right?
I am 100% for that. I think drivers should have.
Give me that booking fee. Give me that fee you're charging the passenger, right? Give me that $40. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Save your headache. Price will be lower for the passenger. I'll make more money. Best of. Are you listening, Uber? Another freebie here. I mean, I think it's brilliant. Anyway. So.
Yep. And the drivers who don't want to carry the commercial insurance, they don't need to. That's fine. But drivers who want to, I think should be able to and should have that where then, they're making that extra money on top of it.
Yeah. I think it'll help everybody because that's all Uber does. Boo-hoo-hoo, our rates are going up. I'm like, you're Uber. If you're paying $40 for a 2-hour trip, it's 129 miles. I mean, come on, we have problems here. We have Houston, we have problems. So we need to talk about this. This is out of control. Yeah, anyway.
So. Absolutely. I mean, if you guys get a screenshot where it shows that commercial insurance, that other expense that's higher than this $38.55, send it to Sergio at RideShareGuy.com because that's just insane.
Yeah, I mean, it's in California. You know, their headache is in California, supposedly. And Florida as well. Other places are not is manageable, supposedly. I don't know.
Supposedly, but I mean, everywhere it's starting to go up. So there needs to be a massive overhaul on the insurance system.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, but I think $40 is a little insane for a 2-hour trip. Just too much.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.